An estimated $4 million Canadian worth of medical supplies were donated to Grenada Association for Retired Persons Grenada from the Canada Caribbean Heart Health Education in Winnipeg. These medical supplies and assistive devices will be distributed to hospitals, organizations, elderly homes, and individuals across the state of Grenada. The donation was handed over Wednesday morning at the GAP headquarters in Lagoon Road, St. George. With the replacement of assistive devices an expensive undertaking, this donation is a welcomed one, as expressed by those in receipt.
Well, okay, for instance, we wanted beds with railings because what we are now getting is patients that are bedridden, and so this is really benefiting my home with the railings, and that's what I could say.
That was Patricia Chichester from the Chichester's Nursing Home located at Spring St. George. Collecting on behalf of the Charles Memorial Home in Diamond St. Mark was the institution's manager, Melinda Phillip.
I am here this morning to collect donations on behalf of the institution, and I had to publicly say thank you to GAP and the donor partners for thinking of us, for going the extra mile, for putting forth that effort to put these much needed items together so that the residents, the elderly, people who need it most has access to it and can get these items for use. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Opel Peter, a friend of GAP, says the equipment are usable and praised the efforts of those involved in putting the package together to assist others who cannot afford to purchase them.
Some of these hospitals abroad, they have all these extra equipment every now and again when they change out the system, and they have all these good things that are good and are usable, but their system don't work with it anymore. So if they could put it, give it to someone who need it. So that's how I see, that's how I look at it.
Christina John, GBN News.